Exercise 2.2 First example. Find the cofactors of the following of the elements of the following matrices. This is the given matrix. First example, -3, -1, -3, 2, 4. Let A consider this matrix -1, -3, 2, 4. First column is -1, -3 and second column is 2, 4. First row is -1, 2 here and second row is -3, 4 here. Therefore, elements first row, first column element. First row and first column element is -1, therefore -1. First row, second column element. First row and second column element is 2, therefore 2 here. Second row, first column. Second row and first column which is element is -3, therefore -3 here. And second row, second column. Second row and second column which is element is 4, therefore which is a 4. This is the elements of the position is first row, first column element, first row, second column element, second row and first column element, and second row, second column position element, which is the position of this element denoted. Again, minors means this row column delete, remaining part is minors. Therefore 1 1 first row and first column delete, therefore 4 is remaining, therefore which is a minor. Then A1 2 second row, first row and second column is delete, then remaining part is -3, therefore -3 is minor. 8 2 1 second row and first column, second row and first column delete, then remaining part is 2 which is the minor. And second row, second column delete, second row, second column delete, then remaining part is -1, this is the minor. Then minor, again cofactors, A1 1 denoted by capital, which is equal to -1 raised to 1 plus 1. Row and column addition here, 1 plus 1 raised to -1 into minors multiplication. Then -1 power is 2, therefore plus 1, and minor is 4, then as it is. Then sum is even as it is value, 4 is 4. Again 8 to 1 is -3. -1 raised to 1 plus 2 means odd power, therefore -1, and minor is -3, then minus minus get plus, therefore odd sum opposite symbols. -3 minor, then cofactor is plus. Again M21 second row first column, therefore second row first column addition is 3, -1 raised to 3 is -1 and minor is 2, therefore which is -2. Then minor is 2 here, here -2. Odd sum, therefore opposite symbols. And 2 plus 2 4, then -1 raised to 4 is 1 and minor is -1, then -1 here as it is. Then odd sum opposite symbols only, and even sum even place sum, then as it is, which is the cofactors. This is the elements and its minors is A11 means first row first column is delete, first row and first column is delete, then remaining part is 3 4 3 0 5 -1 and its determinant is -3, -0 means -3 here minor. Again 1 2 means first row and second column is delete, first row and second column is delete, then remaining part is this, minus minus get plus 2 and here -10, then plus 2 minus minus get plus 10 is 12, their minor is 12. Again M13 first row third column is delete, means first row and third column is delete, therefore remaining part is -2 3 0, then 0 minus minus get plus 6, then minor is plus 6. Again 8 to 1 means second row and first column is delete, second row and first column is delete, then remaining part is -1 0 2 -1, then cross multiply -1 -0 minus minus get plus 1, then minor is plus 1. Again second row second column, then second row second column delete, second row and second column delete, then remaining part is 1 -2 2 -1, then cross multiply -1 minus minus get plus 4, therefore -1 plus 4 is 3, then minor is 3. Again 8 2 3 Second row, third column. Second row, third column is delete. Therefore 1 minus 1 minus 2 0. Then cross multiply 0 minus plus, again middle term is minus 2. Then minus 2 is determinant value. Again similarly A31, third row first column is delete. Then minus 5 minus 6 means minus 11, which is the minor, minus 11. Again A32, third row second column delete. Then 5 minus minus get plus 4, which is 9. This is the minor. Again A33 means third row third column delete. Then 3 minus minus get plus minus 2 here. 3 minus 2 is 1. Therefore minor is 1. And here minor and cofactor are same, only odd sum is opposite. 1 plus 2, then 12 is minus 2. Again 2 plus 1, 1 is minus 1. Again 2 plus 3 is 5, then minus 2 get plus 2. Again 3 plus 2 is 5, therefore odd sum. Then 9, then minus 9 here. And remaining are all as it is. Even is as it is. 1 plus 1, 2, then minus 3 is minus 3. Here 3 plus 1 is 4, then 6 and 6 as it is. Here 2 plus 2 4, then 3 and 3 as it is. 3 plus 1 4 even, therefore 11 as it is. And 3 plus 3 6, then 1 and 1 as it is. Then sum is even, then cofactor as it is minor like. And sum is odd, then opposite cofactor of minors. Therefore this is the this is element and this minors of these elements, and get cofactors of these elements. Therefore find cofactors. Second question, find the matrix of the cofactors of the following matrices. Find the cofactors. First example 1 4, which is the first column here, 1 4, and second column is 3 minus 1. Here first row and here second row. Therefore A1 1, first row first column element is minus here 1. First row second column element is 3. This is the first row elements. First row elements 1 and 3, 1 and 3, and second row elements is 4 minus 1, 4 and minus 1. This is first column element is 4 and second column element is minus 1. Then minors here, first row first column delete, first row first column delete, then minus 1 is part remaining. Then again first row second column, first row and second column delete, then 4 is remaining part here. Again second row first column delete, then remaining part is 3 here. And second row second column delete, then remaining part is 1 here, therefore which is minus. Again cofactors, odd sum opposite symbols. Therefore here cofactors, odd sum here 1 plus 2, which is 4, then minus 4, and 2 plus 1 is odd sum, therefore 3, then minus 3. Remaining as it is, even sum is as it is. Therefore cofactor matrix is first row element is minus 1 minus 4, then minus 1 minus 4, and second row elements is minus 3 1 minus 3 1, which is the cofactor matrix of this given matrix. Then third example similar here, first column, second column and third column, which is C1, C2 and C3. First column, second column, third column. Here first row, second row and third row. Therefore A11 means first, here A11 first row element, A12 is first row element, A13 is first row element, which is first row elements. Therefore 1 0 2, 1 0 2, first column element, second column element, third column element, which is again this is the second row elements. Second row elements minus 2 1 3, minus 2 1 3, and this is the third row elements. Therefore 0 3 minus 5, 0 3 minus 5, and its minors find out. Row column delete, first row first column delete, then remaining part is 1 3 3 minus 5, then determinant value is minus 5 minus 9, which is minus 14, minor is. अगेन 1 2 म्हणजे फर्स्ट रो अँड सेकंड कॉलम डिलीट, फर्स्ट रो अँड सेकंड कॉलम डिलीट, देन रिमेनिंग पार्ट इज -2 0 3 -5. Second example, this is the elements. First row element is 1 -2 1 -1 2, second row element -2 3 5, and third row element is -2 0 -1. This is the element, and the minor firstly find out of this element. This A11 means first row first column delete, then remaining part is -3 0, then -3 is first row second column element is first row and second column delete, therefore -2 -2 5 -1 remaining part, then minus minus get +2 minus get +10, 2 plus 10 is 12, then first row third column delete, first row third column delete, then remaining part is -2 -2 3 0, then 0 minus get +6, therefore +6. Similarly, this minus find out here, deleting rows and columns and find out the determinants, and odd sum opposite symbols. This is the odd sums here, therefore opposite symbols. This 12 is -12, 1 is -1, -2 is +2, and 9 is -9, and remaining values are as it is, which is the cofactor. Then cofactor matrix, first row element this 3, -3 -2 12 6, second row element is this -1 3 2, and third row element is this -11 -9 1. This is the cofactor matrix. And adjoint means transforming rows by column. First row, which is first column, second row transfer by second column, third row second by third column.